Hi everyone! Happy Wednesday. Look at my Twice concert shirt. It's actually like backwards. It's actually this is the back of the shirt, but I feel like the back of the shirt looks really cool, so I will like do both. But yeah, so Ken and I went to 99 Ranch, and so yeah, I'm gonna show you guys all the stuff that we have and do a little grocery haul. So we're getting into the snacks first. So we got the Asian style chips from Galbi, which as you guys know, we are avid fans of. This is the Thai yellow curry, and this one is the hot pot. This is literally Pat and I in chip form. Anyway, so yeah, we love all of like the Asian style chip like brand or line that Calbee has. I don't know, it's really good. Like every single one of them is good. We also got some bok choy, and then we have some green onions in here. Of course, I feel like we use so much green onions and garlic. So we finally got unpeeled garlic because we had like regular, like just garlic in its actual like raw form, and it was so annoying. We got it from Trader Joe's and it was so annoying to like try to peel it and everything while everything was cooking. I don't know, it just gave me anxiety of trying to like hurry up and do it with my nails and like have like soup boiling or something like that. We also got Napa cabbage kimchi, and then we usually get like the chili crunch from Trader Joe's, but you know, you got to go with the other one, which is really good. This is like the umami topping one. This is really good. We already have lao gan ma, but we don't have like the crunchy garlic anymore. But yeah, so I had to get a restock on that. We've got frozen shrimp, which would be good for like dumplings and soup and everything. So it's like deshelled, I think. So this would be great because we had some that weren't deshelled and I had to literally wait for Pat to get home from work so he could help me deshell it. And then we've got these wonton wrappers, which I'm about to make wontons tonight. We've got this chicken, which I think the chicken is deboned. Yeah, it's like supposed to be for stir fry, but that's the chicken. And then the last thing, which is the last thing for meat, it is this pork belly. And yeah, we usually get marinated pork belly from H Mart, but we decided to get just plain pork belly from 99 Ranch, so that way we can do like our own type of marinade and like have pork belly different ways. And we also have like a hot pot soup preset that we already have in our refrigerator that we got from Tokyo Central like a week ago that we have not used yet. So I feel like this would help for that, but they are just coming here. So anyway, I am going to put all of this away and then we are going to get into the soup. Well, not technically the soup, more like the wontons. But anyway, I don't know. Pat was like, oh, let's just make soup. Let's make soup. And we made soup yesterday. So I'm going to make just plain wontons with chili crunch first for today. And then hopefully maybe I'll have some wontons like left over so I can make soup before the week is over with. But yeah, enjoy me cooking. Hi guys, happy Thursday. I literally have no concept of time right now, but I had to like hop on here real quick because I have like a meeting at like 3 and it's like 2:45. But before I literally forget, because by the time I probably finish with this meeting, the daylight will be gone. But I wanted to show you guys two things that I got from Aerie because Pat and I went to like the 99 Ranch is literally attached to a mall. And so, yeah, we kind of like walked around the mall just to like hang out because Pat had a session, but it got canceled. So he was like, okay, like I'm probably not going to get anything for the rest of the day. So let's go get sugarfish and then like, let's go to the grocery store and then like hang out around the mall and then finish with the grocery store and move on. So we did go to Aerie and I got two things, so let me show you. Okay, so the first thing that I got is this dress. Oh my gosh, this is actually really cute. Now I do have a lot of black dresses. Like I think I only have like 2 black dresses, but they're literally like knee or above the knee length. I don't have any maxi black dresses, but I love this. Isn't this so cute? The neckline. I'm trying to figure out whether or not I'm gonna wear this for my birthday or whether I'm gonna wear this for Valentine's Day. I'm not quite sure, but it's going to be reserved for one of those things, which is coming up soon because my birthday is coming up on the 12th and Valentine's Day is on the 14th. So let me tell you guys about that. If you guys don't know, literally Ken and I's like birthdays and Valentine's Day are all on the same week. So Pat's birthday, Ken's birthday is on the 9th and mine is on the 12th. And then we have Valentine's Day on the 14th. Crazy. But then the last thing that I got is this. This is so cute. This is actually for my American Girl dolls because why not? We're being whimsy all 2026. But yeah, I have a meeting. Then I'm going to be cooking some stuff up. I think I might be doing hot pot today with the pork belly. Oh, I'm so excited. But yeah, I will see you guys later.
I sent an email to her.
You could take it, or also what we.
You don't hold on to it like this. That's gonna mess up how you shoot though. So you just use your hand and kind of like. I leave it open like that. That's fine. Okay.
Oh,
Not too bad.
I missed.
you got it. Wow.
Okay. This shirt, not made for this type of weather. That's better.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, it's a little one. Yep, I felt it. Yes.
Mm. Wow.
Almost took my ear.
Oosh.
Did you see that? Just trying to
Girl.
get a gopher. That's all. Take that over there.
Wow.